Craving for something smoky, juicy, and grilled to perfection? Same here! What's up mga Lodi? Tara at samahan nyo ako today sa Ihaw Grilled Burgers and Inasal as we check out this sulit food spot that's firing up the grill daily. They are open every day from 12 noon to 10 p.m. and you'll find them sa looban ng Bulacan Resettlement, City of San Fernando, katabi lang halos ng jeepney terminal kaya naman hindi ka maliligaw. What makes Ihaw stand out? Syempre yung kanilang mga specialties. That includes homemade beef burgers, perfectly grilled chicken inasal, tuna panga, liempo, and Hungarian sausage. Lahat swak sa budget at panalong panlasa, just screenshot the menu for your reference. Kaya to kick off this food trip, we started with their large fries. In fairness, crispy yung mga fries, then yung dips, grabe, real mayo at tomato ketchup ang kasama, hindi tinipid kaya panalo agad sa first bite. Then we had their Hawaiian bacon barbecue burger. Solid ito guys, the pineapple, the bacon, the juicy patty, ang sarap ng balance ng sweet and savory, definitely one of my faves. Next up, the Hungarian hotdog sandwich. Flavorful ito na may kaunting kick, good choice if gusto mo ng something light but satisfying. Now dito naman tayo sa Ihaw Monster Burger. Bro, this thing is huge. Biruin mo yung 3/4 pound beef patty na 7 diameter ang laki, halos malaki pa nga sa kamay ko. Complete and filled with veggies, good for sharing pero pwede ring solo kung gutom na gutom ka. This time, let's talk about their Ihaw meals. First up, the pork liempo. For me, grabe yung smoky flavor nito, lasang-lasa mo sa bawat kagat. Tama lang sa lasa, tama lang din yung timpla, plus yung meat ay tender naman talaga. Next, kung fan ka ng chicken, check out their chicken pa inasal. Juicy ang meat, flavorful ang balat, and you know it's been marinated well kasi bawat himay ng chicken ay may lasa. At syempre, hindi magpapahuli itong kanilang best-selling tuna pa nga. Eto guys, legit na standout. Malaki yung serving, crispy sa edges, pero moist and flaky sa loob. Galing pa raw sa Jensen, kaya sure kang fresh and quality. Kaya no wonder na 20 to 30 pieces ang naubos nila araw-araw at ganun siya kapatok sa mga suki nila. You know, kaya kung hanap mo yung murang grilled food na lasang lutong bahay pero pang restaurant ang sarap, dito ka na sa Ihaw Grilled Burgers and Inasal. Yun lang, thanks for watching, like, share, follow for more, and see you on my next bite.